Hi everyone, I am Shiv Gupta and today in this video I am going to share some easy techniques you can do to start your website's SEO on the right foot. Number 1. Keyword in title tag. The meta title tag is one of the strongest relevancy signals for a search engine. Search engine use it to display the main title of your search results. The keyword should be placed at the start of the title tag. Another area where you can include your keyword is meta description. The importance of meta description tag today is often discussed in SEO circles. It is nonetheless still a relevancy signal. It is also crucial for gaining user clicks from search result pages. Including the keyword on it makes it more relevant to the search engine and the searcher. Another important item is heading tags. Heading tag or H1 helps readers to engage with you easily. Headers should be more interesting. It also helps the search engine to understand what part of your website is more important. In fact, heading tags are more important than before because currently Google is trying to replace H1 with meta title tags, and in some result pages they show H1 instead of title tag. URL structure. Including search engines friendly URL for each of your page is highly recommended as these bring better crawling. Shorter URLs seem to perform better in search engine results. However, this is not the only factor. You can make use of keywords in the URL of your web page. Search snippets show title tag, URL and meta description into their results. Thus, it is important to write an informative and structured URL. Another important factor is canonical tag. Sometimes, however, having two URLs with similar content is unavoidable. One of the ways to prevent this from becoming a duplicate content issue is by using a canonical tag on your site. This tag does one simple thing. It tells Google that one URL is equivalent to another, clearly stating that despite two pages having the same content, they are one. Big companies like Amazon use canonical tags heavily because for every product they have multiple URLs. So this avoids getting all the wrong URL versions getting indexed, and they manage to transfer SEO juice to the main version only. Image optimization. It is not only the text that can be optimized on a page but other media too. Since Google cannot fully understand images, so that makes image optimization even more important. Images, for instance, can be optimized for better SEO through their alt text, caption and description. For instance, content. You may have heard content is the king. Without content, there can be no search engine optimization. But at the same time, you need to make sure your content is optimized for your targeted audience. Otherwise, all you get is unqualified traffic. Outbound links. Linking to authoritative pages sends a trust signal to the search engine. Think of it this way. The only reason why you would send a user to another site is if you wanted them to learn more about the subject. This can be a huge trust factor for Google. Too many outbound links, however, can greatly diminish the page rank, hurting its search engine visibility. Outbound links can affect your ranking, but use them in moderation. I would suggest 1 or 2 outbound links per page. Keyword density. Including relevant keywords throughout your content is very important as it helps search engines to know what your content is all about. However, try not to excessively repeat and overuse keywords just for search engine. This can lead your site being banned from search engines. To avoid this, try to keep your keyword density to roughly around 2 to 3%. If you find it hard, get out and broaden your writing vocabulary. This way, you are still writing about the same thing without the risk of being banned. Also, include XML and HTML sitemaps on your website. XML sitemaps are very easy for Google to crawl. This helps Google to find out all the new pages of your website, and it makes it easier for your website to get indexed. Similarly, HTML sitemap helps your visitors to read or understand all the pages of your website, and they can reach to a specific page even faster. Mobile responsiveness. These days, most of the traffic is coming from mobile devices. So the site has to be mobile friendly or easy to open and easy to view on all mobile devices. Site speed. The site must be loaded quickly on all mobile and desktop. It's also a vital point when it comes to on-page SEO. It creates a user experience. If the site takes much time to load, the user will leave the page. If you follow these easy techniques, you will surely start receiving benefits of getting more visitors through search engines.